May I know your name and where do you stay?
My name is Sudarshan Sengupta. My wife Chaitali. And we stay just 3 kilometers away in Maple Height in Sushant Lok Phase 1.
Okay. How old is your child?
He's going to be 3 next week.
So what exactly were you looking for your child?
Well, looking for something which he can ride, no? Because he is a boy, so he always look something for which he always enjoy riding. So I look something which he can ride and he enjoy.
I mean, as a father, I think for me, my kid is extremely, I would say, outward. So he needs a lot of so-called boy toys actually, So we have been always looking for boy toys. The problem is he destroys the toys too quickly. So, I mean, that was a problem before we actually came across concept of anything called like a toy library.
Okay, so did you consider some other options as well?
No, actually we came to know about Toy Treasure from some of our her friends actually in Maple Height. Because Princeton was quite nearby, they got exposed to Madhu. So through them we came to know about them. We have actually not gone to any other. This is our first exposure to what is called as a toy library. And I am quite delighted actually with the whole concept.
Okay, so based on your experience, can you tell us 2 best things about Toy Treasure?
Yeah, 2 best thing is that she take care of the hygiene part, which I like very much. And with every toy there is a surprise gift for the child, which he always look forward to for the surprise gift. Of course, the thing which I'm taking for him, that always is there, but she also gives the surprise gift also. That is one thing I like. And that what they call that thing, sheet.
Yeah, that's
the
like
instruction
a
sheet
instruction sheet also.
Yes.
I think, for me the problem was that I was giving branded toys to my kid and he was kind of almost finishing them off in sometimes 24 hours, small toys, or sometimes he could even get hurt by some toys actually, if they were not branded. So I was like in a dilemma. If I don't get him branded toys, there's a chance of him getting injured, If I get him branded toys, there's a problem that the span of attention for him in the toy is very limited. And there's a huge amount of money which goes behind. If I add up the amount of money which I've spent behind cars for him in last two years, it will be a humongous amount. Toy Treasure, the best part was it was on rental basis, which means it's only operational expenditure for me. I can get a variety of toys within a period of every week. I can change, toys. They're all branded. They don't cause you injuries because they don't have any sharp edges. Madhu takes a lot of care when she wraps. For example, you see this toy here. It's wrapped in a polythene paper. It's almost like a new toy. It's extremely hygienic. I don't have to spend a huge amount of money as a father because I have to look at the pocket part of it. And I think the kid is extremely happy. He gets an extra gift. We get those I was very impressed with the first gift we took. It was a big bike actually. It wrote that since the tires were so wide, it was very safe for the kid. I mean, not many toys say that, so much openly. So I think that was extremely good about Toy Treasure. So hygiene, safety, the model in which it works, I think she takes a lot of care to give us a lot of time to look around and find out the right toys and so on. So that's great.
Yeah, so do you feel any scope of improvement?
For me, the concept is quite new, so I really don't know if there are scope for improvements.
For
me, this is the benchmark right now.
Some books for the children to read, no? So that's one part. I think she can keep some books also in near future. Hope she will do that.
But that will be for only kids who can read.
Yeah, that's what.
So on a scale of 1 to 5, how likely are you to recommend it to other parents? 5 is maximum.
For me, it's a 5 for sure. Because for me, this is the benchmark, as I told you. I have not evaluated anybody else.
I have not visited any other toy shop. So this is our first visit. So I will also mark her as 5.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much.